Welcome back, steam fans. Last time, you witnessed 4 gallons per minute steam, and prior to that, we demonstrated 2 gallons per minute steam. This time, we're steaming indoors, so we've busted out our 1 gallon per minute, all electric steam cleaner, baby. Stay tuned. Today's challengers have at least one thing in common. They're covered in grease, grime, and filth, and the freak got no time for that. It's absolutely gross. I can't believe what's happening. It's covered in grease and grime. This is simply unacceptable in the 21st century. Whether it's grease, hydraulic fluid, sticky syrup, or even salted nut crumbs, today's world demands for quick, efficient cleaning with less water, less time, and less labor. If you're in the food and beverage industry, manufacturing, or even process cleaning world, you know you need the cleaning and sterilizing capabilities of steam, but desire more precision and control in a smaller form factor. May I present to you the Sioux all-electric 1 gallon per minute steam cleaner. Superpower! This machine features a full 1 gallon per minute of 500 psi, 320 degrees superpower, all packed into a lightweight, compact design which allows you to move the machine to the mess. All electric, no flames, no fumes, less water, and 0 emissions. That's right. Not a single emission, baby. This machine comes standard with a lightweight wand, precision drilled steam nozzles, which allows you more control and less splashback to clean and sanitize in tight spaces. Let's go. When steam is forced onto a surface, the very small vapor molecules penetrate the pores, cracks, and crevices. It reaches areas that fingers and rags simply can't. With such high temperatures, the steam provides a much more efficient clean than traditional cleaning. The result is a surface that is sanitized, deodorized, hypoallergenic, and dries faster. Utilizing steam safely removes microbes and organisms living beneath their own protective biofilm, which normally can resist the most powerful of chemical agents for prolonged periods. Just 3 seconds of steam exposure reduces biofilm accumulation by 99.95%, baby. As you can see, steam does the trick, and I'm still clean. If you'd like to learn more about getting your own superpower, our contact information is in the description below. Thanks for watching.